So there's still a lot of fishing boats that leave here out of Ensenada. It's a real active port. I guess it's a deep water port. These big cruise ships are pulling in here. So it's a nice port. This is Ensenada. They got a pretty good sport fishing scene here in Ensenada. Sergio's and I believe Gordo's. Looks like all the boats are in port right now. They also do whale watching. Usually the guys are just hanging out here trying to sign you up for whale watching that day or fishing the next morning. But like I say, things are pretty quiet right now. Unloading some shipping containers across the way on that large ship.
Todo fresco, yo lo tengo para acá.
Black sea bass. Ooh, good eats, huh? Gracias. Señor. Oh, beauty. Oh, come on. Gracias. So like 5 feet away from the fish market are these places to get fish tacos and great food. So you can't get any fresher than that. I'm gonna have a little bite to eat. Oh, sí. Gracias, ya sé. Oh, bueno.
Real good.